We're going to be making a what do you call it again? What's it called? A calculator. Yippee! First, let's make a file. Call it calculator. Tell me in the comments if there's a wrong spelling. Nice. .cpp. Nice. Now, yeah, I don't think you guys see a single thing right now. Yeah, you guys probably now see much better. Nice. Anyways, let's go ahead and start doing hashtag include IO stream. Enter. Now let's do, we don't need anything else. Let's do using name space std. Nice. And now you guys want to do what do you call it again? Char, maybe it's corrector. OP, which means operator. Let's do something like that. Double num1. Oh my god. num2, and then result. Nice. Now you guys are done with that. Now you guys want to go ahead and do a int main. Yeah. Let's do some code like that, and then some code like that. Do return 0. That's a really important part of the program. Nice. Now you guys want to go ahead and add some other piece of code. Okay, first you guys want to go ahead and add do cout enter either. Okay, you guys need a biggie also here. No! Okay, let's just start a real quick. Enter either plus, here's the plus minus times and then slash. Nice. Now we can just do a or slash. Nice. Let's hope that this code runs for now. We need to check if one piece of code runs at least. Nice. It runs the code. Just so you guys know, if you're not done, we just needed to check if it's getting printed. Now do switch it. Now do cin and put op. Nice. And let's go ahead and do that. Nice. Let's do switch. And let's do something like that. And then let's do op. And then let's do that. And then let's do that. Nice. Now let's do case plus. Then it's going to do this code. No. Take away this. That. Delete. Like that. Nice. Now you guys want to go ahead and enter some other code. Like cout do one of those. Hashtag one equals.
There's nothing in there. Excuse you, can you give it a water?
The outlet. Yo, tell you what I want, what I really want. Sing. That's a really good idea to sing. Anyways, I just told my sister to sing so that you guys get entertained. Anyways, let's go ahead and do like that. Seeing. Seeing num 1. Actually, I like that. Oh yeah, we forgot this. Nice. See out. Hashtag 2. Oh no. I don't care about what whoever is saying there. Just don't care about it. It's not my problem. She's laughing so much. It's just not my problem. It's just not my See out. Hash. I am the worst. See out. Hashtag 1 equals. Don't care about these dumb notifications that are coming. Not hashtag 1. Hashtag 2. C in num 2. Noise. No. One second, I need a drink. Anyways, let's go back to coding. Seeing, and we're not supposed. I keep forgetting. Expected a what? I was being so weird. Okay, anyways.
Papa, did you forget my water?
Bigash. Result equals results equals num 1 plus num 2. Nice. And then let's do a break. What are you eating? What is Daddy eating? I just do break. And let's copy all of that. Do an enter and copy that in again. And don't choose that. Choose one of those. And don't choose the plus. Oh yeah, it was not supposed to be that. It was supposed to be a minus. And choose a minus. Nice. Go ahead and do the exact same thing for multiplication. Change that to multiplication. And then oh, we forgot something. Really. We forgot to print the result. See out result. Oh my. They don't love you. What? Okay, let's just copy that because I don't want to write that 1,000,000,000 times. Enter that. Enter, and then that. And then we're going to copy this one.
No, yeah, you know, in this movie, this girl.
Didi, stop.
She cries. She cries.
Yeah, my sister is being really entertaining back there. Right there.
She cries whenever everybody's crying.
It's really entertaining.
But
My
somebody's
sister
crying,
becomes
but
max
only I laugh.
entertaining. That's such a cool thing. Sister's brain has totally went away. Like it has walked away totally. Yeah, don't care about anybody who's talking. Noise, 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 noise. Don't care about anybody, okay? Anyways, we're almost done. Let's do a default see out that operator is not valid and
जाओगी तुम फिर उधर कहीं फाइनली फिर इंडिया भी तो जाना पड़ेगा यार आखिरी में अगर तुम इधर कंट्री घूमते हो तो आखिरी में इंडिया जाना पड़ेगा या तो कोई एक कंट्री में सेट होगी
Yeah, don't care about the letters we're talking about.
नहीं तुम चाह रहे हो अगर सपोज हम बेच देते हैं फिर हमें यहाँ रुकना पड़ा तो फिर खरीदेंगे घर
अभी नहीं करेंगे
Anyways, so now we are done. That's what I remember.
तब फिर खरीदने का कुछ
Enter either that or that or that. And I want to do multiplication.
खुद का क्या बोलते हैं
1 equals maybe
एक बार में जितना पैसा होगा
100
सब ये कंस्ट्रक्शन
5
उतना डाउन पेमेंट दे देते हैं और विला में कितना खर्चा
No.
6000 ज्यादा खर्चा नहीं होता
5 million.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी 4000 आता है यहाँ 250 500 600 आता है 700 आता है ज्यादा 800 आता है
5.
वहाँ 4000 वाली वहाँ वो आता है लेकिन बाकी चीज 2000 में हो जाएगा तुम्हारा
Copy.
नहीं मेरा दिमाग नहीं घूम रहा है स्टेट के हिसाब से बहुत नहीं के बराबर है
2.5 e plus. I did not even know that was a real number, but that's okay. Noise. Nice. Now we are done. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.